We have a MacBook Air, and the description says that this is an A1932. This is one of the redesign from 2018. Um, the description says that, and then as you guys know, with machines that are no power, what we do is first we take the backup out to determine what state the device is in before we plug a charger to the device. So first thing first, let's just take out the back cover. By the way, with the MacBook Airs, with these particular ones, they have two similar long screws. So, but just so you don't mix them. So the longest of them is the two from the middle, followed by this. So this I'm just going to so these two are the longest. These two will be here. So do not use the longest to be on the edges. So the in terms of length, the longest comes in the middle. The two longest will come in the middle, followed by this two here. So in terms of and then and then this and that and this and that will be the same, while this and this will be the same. So if we check this two, it's that, and then it's that, and then let's check that, and then that, and then that. So like this, you can use the same thing across like this. But this and this will be the same, followed by this and this. So the longest will be in the middle, followed by this, and then the rest you can install accordingly. By the way, the 12 inches are not like that. 12 inches, they have a more smaller.
Yeah, if you mix them, the check will come out.
Yeah. Okay. As I've mentioned earlier, the device would only come here if it's been confirmed to be, if it's been assessed and it's been confirmed to be hardware advanced repair related. That's the only time it will come down here. If not, the device will get fixed upstairs. Okay, so we have a couple of missing screws. We have the fan was disconnected and not plugged back. I suppose this was at the time of assessing the device. So first thing we want to see, and by the way, this is one of the design that you have the standby LED and the standby battery LED. So the standby battery LED will be this guy here. It's a battery standby LED. Let's open up the board view. Um, do we have it on previously opened? Previously, here you go. Okay. So let's go to the other side. The standby LED is our guy. Okay, here you go. So that's D6959 a system detect LED. So sys detect LED. So that is from that's your standby usually. So that says detect LED. Now, let's quickly disconnect the battery and get to understand what is going on here. Let's also go ahead and make a random measurement. And by the way, when it comes to T2 devices, also understand that there is a chance of the device being stuck in recovery. And so you want to check to be sure that the device is not stuck in recovery, because that will also prevent the device from powering on. So let's quickly see if we have a short on our. Let's start by checking our PP bus. PP bus will be on this line here, where these cabs are. So C6483 as well as C6482. So we are going to utilize either of these caps to see if we have a short on our PP bus line, and these are the two caps here. And also these are polarized caps. By polarized, if you can see that there is a mark. So there is a mark. There is a mark to identify your pin 1 as well as your pin 2. So can you see it now? So this is the pin 1, this is the main, this side, that's the main, and this is going to be your ground.
Yeah.
Do you understand? So uh, our battery is disconnected. Always make sure that when you're measuring for a short, when you make sure that you have no power on the board. So blank probe to ground. Let's see if we have a short on our BB bus, and we don't have a short on our PP bus. That's pretty much what we are going to do. And then the next thing we are going to do is we can now connect power to it and see if we have 12 point. Let's see what voltage we have on our PP bus. That will give us an understanding of what voltage we have on our PPDC in. Let's connect charger to it. Black probe to ground, red probe, and PP bus cap. 12.6. Okay, 12.6 tells you that we have 20 volt on our PPDC in. Do we have trackpad feedback? We actually have an Apple logo, so I've got no idea why they say the device is a no power. So this is pretty much, I suppose the assessment was not correct. So let's just confirm that again. We can check that. So Peter is saying, what if with the battery connected, the machine does not respond? Let's confirm that. Battery is connected. Now we can plug power to it. We have trackpad feedback, which means our machine is starting. And there you go, the machine is restart. So let's switch it off and try again. Maybe let's try to power it back on. And it still comes on. Then let's check. So okay, what we can do is we can okay, let's wait for it to boot up, and so it's on 1%. What if they use I mean a faulty charger, because the battery is definitely was completely flat. Okay, let's try the second port. Okay, I'm not sure why they say this is a no power. Device is clearly working. Okay, so we are going to get more information regarding the device because we clearly see that the device is working. Okay, thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.